Right, we're in the garden. There is a light breeze. Well, I think for a first attempt, it's not too bad. I'll go and get the hat camera. Right, hat camera. I don't think that camera's catching as much as I want to see. Oh, the wind caught it then. I'm launching it down to try and stop it catching the wind. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Well, I think that'll do. It's not flying perfectly, but it's actually flying significantly better than I expected. So, yeah, it's working with cling film as the wing surface instead of the bubbles. It might still work with the bubbles, because I've reduced that nose weight significantly compared to what I'd actually printed. But I think I needed a stronger bubble mixture to have more surface tension. But there you go. If you're interested, drop me a note in the comments and I will make the Tinkercad file available for download. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.